All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully, you guys are having a great day. I know the market is kind of pumping, but just be cautious that Ethereum is coming up on 2000 and BTC is coming up on 30K. So we may be in store for a pullback and a reversal from this nice little pump. So looking at QNT here, it is currently sitting at 114, and really nothing has really changed on the chart here. I did actually add the 70-day EMA just for the fact that I've been using it on a couple of charts, and it seems to be getting respected pretty good. So we're going to leave it for a while. You can see it got tagged back here on QNT. So I know a lot of people don't look at the 70-day, but I like it, so we're going to leave it. But with that said, looking at QNT here, it's continuing to be pushed down by all the pressure from the moving averages here, the downtrend. Like I said, nothing has really changed on QNT. We're about to have a bullish cross on the MACD. RSI is curling up just a little bit, but just due to the fact that we're not over any of our moving averages here, you can't put too much weight on these indicators down here as momentum. So the first thing you need to watch really on QNT is you got to get back over your 21-day EMA is your first hurdle. You can see we went to it right here on this candle, right here to our little dotted line that we drew a couple of updates ago. So this 116 to 116.4 for about a 1.5% move is your first resistance. If you can get over that, you have your 50-day EMA, which you're probably going to end up meeting because it is also curling down at this downtrend here. So you're looking at about a 5-6% move up here to this 120 area. So 120, and then you have your 618 here at 121, of course. So this general price area is your big resistance to get over. And until QNT here gets over these moving averages, it gets above this 121 area and ultimately your 200-day moving average at 124. And ultimately, these things need to all curl up and cross back over each other for QNT to break out of this downtrend and actually have some momentum up. So just be aware of that. That QNT has a lot of resistance to get over. We really need a massive green candle to spawn in to get us through this and just blast out of here. But I do not think that is going to happen anytime soon on QNT. I'm actually looking for lower prices on QNT. I've said this in many updates that QNT is one of the better ones in its little sector. I do think QNT is going to outperform all of the other cryptos, that it's competing with. So yeah, I'm still looking for a $100 QNT. So just watch those prices to the upside there. QNT is going to make a very good trade. So just treat these downward prices as DCA opportunities here. So you're looking at 112 where you're pretty much sitting right now. We are dipping below it a little bit on all these candles here. But ultimately, if we continue to get pushed down and these moving average continue to go down, I'm looking at about $100 on QNT in the near future. So you're looking at a potential 11-12% drop to go on QNT. So that's our first DCA target is about 100 on QNT, which it's totally on the table right now. Until these start to move up and we get some momentum, I'm looking at $100 on QNT. So we'll leave it at that until the next update. With that said, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.